Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome Romain.
Hey, thank you very much for the invitation.
That's pretty cool. Today we're gonna talk about the hackathon we organize, and we've got a winner with us, and they built an amazing project. So they will explain, do a demo, and other stuff. But while we are waiting, we're gonna wait. I think 1 or 2 minutes. You can grab a coffee in the audience. Take a seat. Feel free to ask any question. I've got a brand new feature where I can add the community comment and it should work. Hello, yeah. So if there is some interesting questions, I will display them in the chat. And quick question for you, Romain. Anything in the space, in the Web3 ecosystem that recently that surprised you, scared you, or inspired you?
I think it will be more about the scary thing. Right now, it's a mix of Web3 and AI. I think right now AI is really like a big thing right now, and everyone is thinking like, oh, they will take my job and so on. So that's a little bit scary right now, but it's also like when you can see that everyone can build whatever he wants, and that's also pretty like really interesting and really it brings a new fresh wind of like what we can build, what we can make, and it really removes the hard part of coding. It's more like as vibe coding is the term right now,
Yeah,
like
but
really doing the vibe.
let's be honest. Let's be honest. Some job will probably disappear,
Yeah, yeah,
like
of course. Yeah,
front
because
end developer.
I'm like, of course there will be, but because right now front end dev vibe coding, it's like using already made components. So someone has to make those components, and right now AI is pretty bad at doing those components. Like building with the bricks, such as Lego, it's pretty easy, but building the Lego by itself right now, as far as I know and as far as I tested, it's not like really up
Yeah,
to scale.
yeah, true, and it's really interesting. It's a really interesting topic. On Thursday, I'm gonna talk about it at the end of this live stream. But we are organizing another live stream with Owen Ely. It's one of the best Web3 talent recruiter, and the title goes straight to the point: is now the worst or the best time to work in Web3? Because we can there is some question like market crash, the war, the AI, the rug pull, all this stuff. It's a bit scary for people from Web2 who want to
Yeah,
pivot in Web3.
yeah,
So
definitely.
yeah, I'm gonna talk about it at the end of this stream. So let's go. We already got 26, 27. Perfect. People are coming again in the audience. Feel free to ask any question you want. No. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, and I can display them again. That's pretty cool. This one. So let's start with the introduction part. Can you introduce yourself and explain a bit what was your first step in Web3?
Yep. So I'm Romain. Nice to meet you all. Basically, I'm working right now as a tech partner in an apprenticeship at XRPL Commons. I'm also the president of a student organization that is named Da Vinci Blockchain. And yeah, like I started blockchain, I think 5 or 6 years ago. Right now, I think years is going on and on and on. So, like, I'm thinking, oh, I thought it was 4 years. Right now, it's five. But yeah,
How old
like
are you? How old are you? If it's not indiscreet.
I'm 20. I'm 20 years old right now.
So you started Web3 at 14? No, 23,
Yeah,
you said.
2015, yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Really? Your Web
Yeah,
3?
yeah,
Oh, God.
yeah. No, but like I have an inside joke, if you want, just quickly. When I was young, because I wanted to buy some crypto, and my the banker didn't want me to buy crypto, and so basically every time I was like saying, hey, can I buy crypto? Can I buy crypto? But yeah, basically it was pretty hard. And yeah, except for that, 5 years in the ecosystem, and I've started with the Cyprin updraft courses. So yeah,
Oh, yeah.
pretty.
But really good point. Ciphering Updraft, if you want to learn Web3, all
Yep,
the basics, but even the complex stuff in DeFi and other ecosystem, that's the best way and best website to learn. Honestly, it's leads by Patrick Collins. Everybody know Patrick Collins. I'm a big fan. I was in Buenos Aires and I saw him and I ran to him like, oh, Patrick, I'm a big fan. So
yeah,
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 and I thanks him like thank you for what you are doing for the community and everything is free. So totally, that's a good
yeah.
point.
Yeah, that's really awesome. And like when you're young and you want to like learn and try to understand more deep dive what is under the hood and really understand how it works really behind. It's really well done and really interesting.
Yeah, let's share my screen for a few seconds. Like it will
Yeah.
be easier for people to understand what we are talking about. We are talking about Updraft, blockchain developer course for smart contract development, but not only. And let's have a look. It's not the point of today, but if you want to learn like from the basics to all the Uniswap, DeFi, complex stuff, AAV, and Solana and whatever, and even Noir. That's the best, honestly, the best way to learn.
Yeah.
Let's go back to our point. So, okay, you started at 14 years old. You are in Da Vinci blockchain school.
Yeah, Esilv school,
So,
yeah.
okay.
And we're part of like the blockchain studio organization of this school is Da Vinci Blockchain. That's the name, yeah.
Nice, nice. You are really active. Like I saw a lot of stuff you are organizing and participate to hackathon. That's pretty impressive. So, okay, thanks for the introduction. On my side, I'm Martin. I exec developer relation, and I'm here to help builders to use our privacy technologies. We are providing developers tools to enable them to integrate a privacy layer in their DeFi and RWA dApps. And in the coming weeks, we are launching a brand new product and protocol evolution. Honestly, really exciting. So join us on X, on the socials. There is a plenty of information about that, and I'm gonna talk a bit after this live stream. So let's talk about iPred.
Yep.
Do I pronounce well
Yeah,
iPred?
that's like it, yeah.
You won the 50 partners hackathon. We organized a hackathon with them. The topic was confidential DeFi and RWA, and you built something pretty impressive. And I will let you explain a bit what was your project.
Yep. So our project was a prediction market based on using confidential tokens. And why we thought it was a good idea, because right now, prediction market, everyone are seeing what are the whale are doing, and that's pretty bad UX for them, because if someone is betting for something and he don't obviously he don't want everyone to know what he's betting for, because maybe people will copy trade or everything like that. So we thought it was a huge problem, and we thought that using iExec and the TE, it was like a really good opportunity and something that we can really enhance and go for.
Okay, nice. I've got a question. Is this crypto? Yeah, it's crypto related. It's a prediction market. So you can buy some prediction with crypto. And they are using crypto blockchain technology, Greek Poly. Feel free to ask any question if you want. Okay, so iPred. And what was the moment like the, okay, guys, we need to build that. We're going to win with this project.
Yeah, I think it was when we started, like we were really focused on privacy since sometimes because we've seen that Vitalik was really hype about privacy. Right now they're building a SDK, Koaku SDK, the wallet, privacy wallet, things like that. And so basically, we were thinking, oh, if Vitalik is saying that this is cool, it should be cool. And the other hot topic right now is prediction market. So basically, we thought, oh, if we take two good things that really hyped and we mix them, it should give us a good product. So that was a little bit our idea.
Nice. And I don't know, I think you know, but unfortunately, prediction market communication on X are becoming complicated. Like there is new law, new rules where you won't be able anymore to share some coin and talk about prediction market stuff. So yeah, well, we will find another way anyway. Okay, so what concrete problem you are solving? It's privacy.
Yeah.
Is there something else you want to add? Like, is it helping people to use prediction markets? In which way?
Our focus was really more focused for privacy first, because usually privacy, the UX of privacy is really hard, and even more for retail people or people who haven't messed with crypto and so on. So we try to really low down the level and to really to only take the essence of what is useful and what can be interesting for those type of people, because like really it can be really um, it can really fast it can become a mess. So we were thinking like we need to have all this privacy compute and technology and everything running behind, and so nobody is really thinking about, oh, this is like syncing the privacy thing and like the oh, it's slow a little bit down the thing because obviously you need to have a more compute. So yep, but except for
All right.
that, we're focused privacy first.
Okay, cool. And so you build with the iXec tech during the hackathon. And how did the development go with iXec? And you can be totally honest. Like it's always
Yeah.
good to have some feedback and continuously improving our tech. So how did it go?
At first, it was going really well, and at some point, I faced a problem. And but hopefully, I've contacted the support on Discord, and I don't remember the guy who helped me, but
Orlando.
yeah, that's it. Yeah, and he helped me fixing the problem. But except for that, it was like really smooth. The IAP CLI thing was really like really fluid, really well done. So no problem, except for the part that was like a little bit not because it was my fault. So that's my bad. But it was a little bit messy for me around that. But except for the tech, it was really great and no problem with that.
Nice, nice. Thank you for the feedback, and big shout out to Orlando. He
Yep.
helped so much builders during this hackathon, and even during the night, even during the weekend. So kudos to him. If you add a couple of more weeks, what would you build next on top of this project with iXX? So it's really promising project. Like, what would you do if you have a couple of more week?
I think it's really focusing on, as I said, the UX, because as we'll show in the demo, it's still pretty harshful, like pretty slow, and try to really not not hide, but really try to don't make the user feel that there is some compute behind. I think that's the main focus we could have and we can have if we continue the project.
Okay, nice. And talking about the demo, can you walk through? Could you share your screen and let's go?
Yep. Wait 2 seconds. I need to have the good one. Good.
Yep.
Can you see my screen?
And yeah, perfect.
Yep. And so basically, we can take the XRP because I work for XRPL Commons. And for example, right now, it's 50-50 chance. But first, maybe I will deposit first. So I can go to my portfolio. And what we've made, it's like you have your normal USDC that you can deposit on the app. And then you can trade with them, and because they are confidential CUSDC, nobody can see how much you are trading for. You can only know how much token are deposited at first in the protocol. But it's like okay, I know that someone have $1 million on Aave, for example. That's it. You don't know his position. Basically, that's it. So if here we can, for example, deposit 10 USDC. I just need to sign it, and then I just need to deposit it. And yeah, like as I said, the pain point right now is that it will take some times to come. So, but I already have some because we were prepared for the demo. And so here, if I go to market, XRP, for example, and here, yep, here, if I can deposit here. So if I want, I can deposit 10 USDC. I can buy yes, because I think that XRP will reach that before the date is, it's a bug. You can buy yes, confirm order. In here, you can sign the transaction and you just bought yes. And same here, you have some time before the, here it's blocking because I think the market have closed, but I think we
Yeah,
can use
sure.
another one. No, but we can use another one. I think it will be good. I will deposit less because I'm not sure I have that much USDC left. Here, in here, if we go to the portfolio, we can see that it should here add another thing. Yeah, just need to wait, I think. But here we can see that it deposited well the 10 USDC I just deposited. So just we need to wait till the transaction and DT is doing the compute. But yeah,
Okay.
that's more.
Nice, nice. Thanks for the demo. Zoe Wix is pretty cool. Are there already any competitors like prediction market with privacy? Everybody knows Polymarket. I don't know if there is a privacy layer or is there any. Oh yeah, other competitors like that.
Right now, there is only Calci in a way that Calci, because it's centralized, everything is private, at least for the other user, but it's not private for them. So maybe like, we don't know, there is someone from the Calci team who can leak some stuff. We don't know, like, because it's centralized, that's the pain point of, and that's why blockchain is here. So
Yeah.
basically, except for Calci, yeah, like on the on-chain on-chain prediction market, privacy, there is no those three things combined. So we're mostly the only one.
All right, cool. And yeah, Kalshi is centralized, so everybody's talking. Everybody are talking about insiders, like they know stuff they shouldn't know, and they are using it to win to earn some money. And if it's centralized, they can have a look on whatever they want and take some trade and stuff like that. So it's even better, like you've done. It's a proper privacy integrated in the prediction market, and nobody knows like
Only
what you are
you.
doing. Yeah, only you. So that's pretty cool. Okay, thanks very much.
Yeah.
Got a you won a prize. I know you love hackathon.
Yeah.
What's next for you? Like any out news, alpha, other hackathon event you are organizing, and even you can talk about XLP comments if you
Mm,
want.
yeah, right now, many project trying to like really understand and really keep on the wave of AI and agentic AI. I think like if we can bring privacy, AI, all those like really hot topic right now in one project. I still don't have idea, but I'm still like doing some ideation. But yeah, if we can bring like all those stuff, all those cool stuff, we can, I think, build the really good stuff. But except for that, right now it's really a calm part of my life right now. Just cooling down and just
Building, keep
in the
building.
sun behind.
Yeah, I think it's the best time to build, and it's exactly what we're gonna talk. I gonna do a bit of promotion about the is now the worst of best time to work in Web3. Honestly, if you are thinking about pivoting from Web2 in Web3, if you are looking for a job, if you are, oh, should I leave Web3? Is it possible to have a career in Web3? All these questions, I will try to answer them with Owen Illy. It's Thursday, 5 p.m., and you can join easily with the Luma link. And I don't know if I'm sharing it in the comment. Yeah, people should be able to see it. And I will add them in the X and other socials networks. So feel free to join. Honestly, it will be really uh, interesting. Before, like, it's we are about to wrap this builder session. Thanks again. Anything you want to add for the community, the audience? Like any tips you want to share?
Just continue building, as you said. It's really like for me, in my opinion, but everyone will see maybe on Thursday what's the the opinion of Owen. But I think right now it's like really easy to build something. If you have any idea, if you think that maybe your project will be the next big product, you can go like you can just ship, try, and see like directly. Like you don't lose time. Maybe you lose a day, you don't lose like a week or a month. So I think right now, yeah, just build, guys.
Yeah, that's a really good advice. And 5 years ago, during hackathon, it was 2 days full time to build and no sleep. But now you can build projects within an 2 or 3 or 5 hours. It's
Yep.
pretty easy with the AI. So yeah, like you said, build, keep building, just ship some idea. Best way to pass through this beep market.
Yeah.
Thanks
Yeah.
again, Roman. Thanks again. Wish you the best. Take care, and for sure, see you soon.
Yep. See you. Thank you very much.